Which doll is the black doll? And which one is the white doll?
That one.
Which doll is the pretty doll? Which doll is the nice doll? Which doll is the bad doll? Which doll is the nice doll? And which doll is the bad doll? And why is that doll pretty?
Because she's white and she has 2 eyes.
Which doll is the ugly doll? Why is that doll ugly?
Because he's black.
Which doll looks most like you?
Like me.
Yeah, which one looks like you?
And that one.
Okay.
That doll.
The idea to begin the Great Odyssey, the history of Africa from the Americans, came with the need to draw the international attentions to the Africans' Odyssey. It is necessary to draw the participation of the world in a history that touched all humankind. From the period of 100,000 BC to 13,000 BC, and from 13,000 BC to 800 BC, the prime equatorial and tropical world of the Africans to the students and professors. Hala Eke is the name in Igbo Bantustan language given to the Central and Southern America by the Igbo Bantu ancestors, while Harika Chinyere, this was the name of the west of North America, which was also known as Ala Ugwu Harika, means land of Harikara, the Rocky Mountains. Ogu Indom, this was also known as Ala Ugwu Ogu Indom, meaning land of the Ogu Indom, now Appalachian Mountains. Kwa Ashika, the word of ice. Anya, light complexion Igbo Bantu. The word Anya, when inherited by the Ng, now England, it took an N and became Anya. The Ice Age period spanned more than 122,000 years until 1600 BC. Between 100,000 BC and 13,000 BC, the period falls within the last Ice Age, in which the northern and southern hemisphere were completely buried in mile-thick glacier. It was the era of spreading and occupation of the world to the east and to the west of what is now Africa. Africa then was the central block of the world, which the Africans Igbo called Ouwarre. It was the period in the world that all of the tropical and subtropical Mediterranean Europe, then known as Inde Anya Iberi, and Asia Minor, then known as Anyalaya of Umu Unke Ishi Urata, and Indian, then known as Indi Arya, were descendants of the Igbo Bantu of Ouwarre.